Is it raining?
We didn't hear that. I mean, that was right there.
Now we do.
It looked like it was right there. It seemed like it was way far away.
She didn't even care.
Oh.
That made me jump and she didn't even care.
Thunder, Kira. Thunder.
Right there.
Thunder. Oh, yes. This is cool.
This is kind of the first time.
Yeah, first time.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Rain? Rain?
Ladybug.
Ladybug?
Oh, there's one flying around.
Oh.
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 Bug.
Nana.
Little area so
Nana.
Dandelion.
Dandelion. Oh, you want
Yes.
to blow that one?
Yeah, let's blow that
They're
one.
usually taller. Look at the dandelions. Usually taller than those white. I don't know if they're dandelions.
Those are not dandelions. Yeah, it's this. Yeah,
Yeah. What about those tiny ones? The
those
white
are
ones on the floor.
those are clover.
clover. So they're
Yeah.
not dandelions.